Hi there, Roger Knack, President, Universal Accounting Center. I'm here at the Royal Creek Lodge, and what we're doing is here at the ranch is we're planning and preparing for your coming on May 3rd and 4th to experience a whole new frontier in your business. In this process, one of the things that we have available is on the top level of the lodge, an amazing game room and networking area, something that you're going to be able to come and experience for yourself and relax at. This is, in fact, a retreat, a getaway, something that you're going to do to remove yourself from the day-to-day operations of your business and join your peers, myself, so many others as we're working on our business. Understand that this is going to be an experience where you get to kind of step outside of your comfort zones and experience some activities that are meant to help you grow as an individual, but more importantly, also focus on your company. We're going to be focusing on things that you need to be doing to ensure your success in 2021. So join us on May 3rd and 4th to experience this whole new thing that you need to be doing to work on your business to ensure that you're getting paid what you're worth. There are a few things that we're actually putting into the agenda, such as helping you in clarity, basically engage and manifest what it is you're trying to build in your organization. We're going to be focusing on things such as revenue that you're going to be able to do, implementing proven marketing strategies and sales processes to ensure the growth of your company. We're going to be looking at the services that you're providing to ensure that you're actually offering quality service to, in fact, be the premier accounting firm in your area. And then with regards to all this, do so profitably, ensuring that you're using the proper things to be efficient in the work that you're providing. And all of this is meant to accomplish you're building a business that has value. So join me on May 3rd, May 4th to work on your company here at the Royal Creek Lodge. And here at the ranch, actually do your part as to working on your business to ensure your success. One of the things that I do want to emphasize as well is that we will have a pre-conference event for Saturday, our getting together and enjoying one another's time as we actually just relax and put our hair down, if you so, please. And with that in mind, actually work on some things that are rustic and really fun and exciting. So I invite you to join us for the pre-conference that Saturday and Sunday. You won't want to miss it. It will be a memorable experience where you're going to make some great friends and contacts, and most importantly, experience some activities that I'm sure many of you have never experienced here on the ranch. So with that in mind, understand this: business success is universal. Take care, and we look forward to seeing you very, very soon. Bye-bye.